Hi, this is Christy with Store Technologies, and I just wanted to record a quick video on how you can make a password change and ensure that it is strong and maybe a good way to help you remember a password. So if you do have to go through the process of making a new password, which most people don't want to do, you want to make sure it's good. So let's try to think about, instead of talking about a password, let's try to think about a passphrase. So right away, that should be more characters, and hopefully we can make it something that you care about so that it will be something that's easier to remember. So let's start with the core phrase. So I'm going to use I love skiing. This is true. I do love skiing, and so I could use this as part of my passphrase. Now, to make it stronger, because I love is actually used in a lot of passwords. I love Sally, I love Jim, I love Bob, so don't do that. I'm going to add special characters in. So I'm going to change the I love to I, and then I can still use the beginning of love, but maybe I'll do that. I'll make this a 0 or a capital L. And then for skiing, I can put a special character in there. A couple special characters. I love skiing. So I have definitely made this much more complicated than the choice above. So now if I wanted to make this even stronger, I could add one more descriptor word in there. So I can take what I have that's pretty strong. I love skiing. And I can add one more word in here. I love skiing fast, but I'm going to spell fast wrong on purpose. Okay. So maybe I'll do 3 A's and 3 T's so it's easier to remember. So I love skiing fast. This is a awesome passphrase. This is not something that's going to be in the dictionary. It's not something that's going to be found easily, and it should be a really strong password. Now, you could use your core phrase and put other variations of it. You could put a descriptor word at the end. I love skiing with a fam. I love skiing in Germany. And then this is how you can use a core phrase, but create unique passwords for the many uses that you have. So I hope that this video adds a little bit of value in terms of how you can create a strong passphrase, not just a password. And one thing I want to emphasize is that in my core phrase and all along this journey, I did leave in spaces. Spaces actually add a lot of value as part of a phrase, and I encourage you to do that. It definitely makes your password stronger. Okay, well, this is Christy coming to you for Stewart Technologies. I hope that this helps. Have a good one.